Hello everyone, welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning operators, and in today's class we will be learning about parenthesis. Parenthesis, like in math, is pretty useful for mathematical operations. It is no different than what we have already learned in math or algebra. For example, when you see this function y equal to when you see this function y equal to 4x plus 7 divided by 2, the way, if we convert this into a mathematical equation in Java, we will be writing y equal to 4, and remember multiplication is by asterisk, x plus 7 divided by 2. The one challenge with this is what we call it PEMDAS rule. If you remember in math, we learned about PEMDAS, where P, the order of operation, can be remembered in a shortcut using this word, where P stands for parenthesis, E for exponents, we haven't learned yet, and I guess in the next class we'll cover exponent. M is for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, if we leave as it is right now, this operation will take place first. Let me change the color. So this operation, this part, because of division, takes place before addition, and multiplication takes place here. And then finally, this addition will happen. But this is not what we want, because if you go like this, we are basically saying it is 4x plus 7 by 2. And this is not what we want here. So parentheses come very handy. In order to make sure that desired operation, like overall 4 plus x by 7 is divided by 2, we want to cover or wrap it inside a parenthesis. And that's the power of parenthesis, because parenthesis is the first operation that always takes place. So in order to write this, I'm going to rewrite this equation like this. I'll say 4 multiplied by, I'm going to say 4 multiplied by x plus 7, and then put it in the parenthesis like this, and then overall by 2. And by doing this, we are saying this piece 4x plus 7 is first computed, and then overall is divided by 2. So that's the power of parenthesis. As I said, parenthesis takes precedence over every other operation. Anytime you are in doubt, always use parenthesis. You cannot go wrong, and we will look into in one of the chapter, we'll see the uses of parenthesis, where we will be converting some of the mathematical equation into Python, into Java, and then write the code. I'll see you guys again in the next class. We will cover compound operators.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.